Hi, today we have this beautiful vase for plants. It's a beautiful gift for a friend or for Mother's Day that's coming quickly here. It's really spacious and has these beautiful indentions which gives it a nice little look. It works great at any part of the house to give it livelihood with the green plants. Hi, today we have this beautiful vase for plants. It makes a great gift for a friend, or Mother's Day's coming, makes a beautiful Mother's Day gift. Beautiful cream colored vase along with these indentions, which makes it beautiful to look at. Great for any part of the house to bring that oxygen that beautiful plants do. So this beautiful vase comes with the base to put it on. Also comes with a little mesh that you put inside, and that way the water will seep through, but the actual soil will stay in place.
Don't worry, there's no audio on this one.